I wanted to join the band because I've always felt home in my high school band, so I wanted to transfer that into college marching band.
I joined the band because I was a part of it during high school and it just made sense to continue with it.
So today is the first day that we have everybody all together out on the field, the new members as well as the vets.
Today we're doing some basics again, and so we're going to learn a little bit of forward march, backward march, mark time, and then we're going to get into some high step as well.
So we just did a little bit of IZU Zumba, just getting our blood flowing and our bodies ready to kind of stretch so that we can make sure that we can not hurt ourselves and have a really productive day.
So we can have our marching auditions that we have tonight for our first years, because tomorrow we will start pregame.
So this is an exciting time in terms of getting them used to the fundamentals and how we march and do those types of things. Beginning tomorrow, we'll start learning the pregame show, and then probably on Wednesday we're going to start learning our first halftime show, which we're going to do with 1040. It's a Jonas Brothers show.
Wow, I mean, I think that the first game, collaborating with 1040, is going to be such a fun time, and of course every halftime show is different and unique, so I'm just excited to have those experiences throughout the season.
So it's kind of like a collaboration, and it's going to be really fun because all the students know the music that we're playing, because everybody knows Jonas Brothers.
I'm looking forward to having a little bit of a bigger band. Our numbers are bigger this year, but these are really good kids so far.
I'm excited for our show this year. It's really fun and it's really cool, and I'm really excited to make all new friends this year, so that's what I'm excited for.
Definitely the night games and being able to perform under the lights.
My favorite part is seeing the growth over the course of the season. So we had our first music rehearsal last night, so it's really cool for me to see where they start and then where they finish.